Welcome to PR Kids Education.
Hello, little learners. Welcome to Phonics Fun. Letter sounds for early reading. Are you ready to play with sounds today? Phonics helps us read by teaching us the sounds of each letter, and guess what? Every letter has a special sound, just like how your name has its own voice. Let's start our sound adventure one letter at a time. We will meet funny friends, learn their letter sounds, and say them loud and clear. Together, are you ready? Say yes. Yay. A says a like apple. Say it with me. A apple. Let's meet Annie the ant. She loves apples and acorns. Goes Annie as she munches. Chant. A for apple, A for ant. A says a, let's sing and chant. Letter B. B says ball, like ball. Say it loud, ball. Here's Bobby, the bear bouncing his big blue ball. Chant. B for ball, B for bat. B says ball, now tip your hat. Letter C. C says cur, like cat. Let's purr like slow. The cat who says cat. Chant. C for cat, C for cup. C says go, now jump right up. Letter D, narrator. D says dog, like dog. Meet Daisy, the dog wagging her tail with a bark. Chant. D for dog, D for drum. D says dog, let's make some fun. Letter E. E says E, like elephant. Ellie, the elephant, sprays water and sings E. E for elephant, E for egg. E says now stretch your leg. F say F like fish. When the fish goes fur as he swims with a swish. Chant. F for fish, F for fun. F says for to be a blowing fan. Letter G. G says cur, like goat. Gilly the goat giggles and clubs grapes. Goof. Chant. G for goat, G for game. G says Joe, let's play the same game. Letter H. H says huh, like hat. Say hello to Harry the hippo. He's wearing a huge hat. He laughs. Chant. H for hat, H for hen. H says her again and again. Letter I. I says E, like igloo. Iggy, the ice cube, lives inside an icy igloo and sings eh. Chant. I for igloo, I for ink. I says I, what do you think? Letter J. J says jar, like jam. Jenny the jelly jar jumps for joy saying jam. J for jam, J for jug. J says Joe, give your teddy a hug. Letter K. K says kite, like kite. Kenny the kite goes cuckoo while flying high in the sky. Chant. K for kite, K for king. K says curve, flap your wings. Letter L. L says la, like lion. Leo the lion roars softly, lion. Chant. L is for lion, L is for leaf. L says law, now purr with relief. Letter M. N says more like milk. Milo the mouse loves munching muffins more. Chant. M for milk, M for moon, M says more will eat soon. Letter N. N says no like net. Nina the night owl says no by lighting a net. Chant. N for net, N for nine, N says no, you are doing fine. So kids, if you love this video, then please like it, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and share this video maximum. We will meet you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.